strange here that I feel like I need to call in to our friend Al Roker and see what the forecast is for today.
Everybody, here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the line.
Uh-oh, it does look like we are having a flash flood here in Old Mexico. I think we should be okay, guys, because we are in the safest place you can be in the event of a thunderstorm, a tram. So I think we're okay. But occasionally we do get a little bit of a flooding situation here where a huge rush of water will barrel directly down that hill towards the third car. So if you guys see water heading your way, just scream at the top of your lungs. That way the rest of us know that it's coming. Thank you so much in advance. Shouldn't be an issue, though. I think we should be completely fine. No reason to worry whatsoever. Now, as I was talking about, this is Old Mexico where,